Have you ever wondered how much does a trip to Iceland actually cost? Well, today we're going to embark on a journey of discovery as we break down the true expenses of a trip to Iceland. Iceland, with its otherworldly landscapes and natural wonders, is really a dream destination. But before you pack your bags, let's dive into the details and find out what it takes to explore this enchanting country. First off, our flights to Iceland. The cost of your trip can vary greatly, depending on your departure location, travel season, and how far in advance you book your flights. On average, round-trip flights from most North American cities can be between $400 to over $1,000 or more. Signing up for Embarcks can help you find the cheapest flight available to Iceland from airports all around the USA. Next up is accommodations. Iceland offers a range of lodging options, from budget hostels to luxury hotels and cozy cabins. Hostels and guest houses can cost between $30 to $100 per night, while mid-range hotels may range from $100 to $250 or more. Luxury accommodations can exceed $300 or more per night. And we definitely recommend checking out a camper van on your visit to Iceland, as it offers a way for you to get your accommodation and your way to get around all in one. Plus, you can get a camper van fairly easy for a reasonable price from many different vendors once you land in Iceland. This brings us to our next point: transportation in Iceland. To explore Iceland's stunning landscapes, you'll need some transportation. Renting a car is a popular choice, with daily rates ranging from $60 to $150, depending on the vehicle's type and rental duration. Alternatively, guided tours and bus passes can also be a cost-effective option for solo travelers. Next up is the food and dining. Dining in Iceland can be pricey, especially in restaurants. Expect to pay around $20 to $50 for a meal at a mid-range restaurant. To save some money, consider cooking your meals using local ingredients, dining at cafes, or grabbing budget-friendly fast food. Also, when you first fly into Iceland, make sure to ask around for the local grocery stores, as that's where you'll find the cheapest food. Next, we've got activities and excursions. Iceland offers a wealth of adventures, from glacier hikes to thermal baths. The cost of activities can vary widely, with excursions typically ranging from $50 to $300 or more per person, so be sure to budget for those experiences, as you don't want to miss them. Next up, if it's your cup of tea, are souvenirs and shopping. Iceland offers unique souvenirs like woolen goods, lava jewelry, and Icelandic delicacies. Set aside a bit of your budget for shopping, with prices varying depending on your choices. So how much does a trip to Iceland really cost? Well, the total cost can vary greatly, but here's a rough estimate. For a one-week trip, including flights, accommodations, meals, transportation, activities, and miscellaneous expenses, your budget might be around $1,500 to $3,000 per person. Keep in mind that this is just a general estimate, and your actual expenses may differ based on your preferences and choices. So whether you're exploring glaciers, chasing waterfalls, or relaxing in geothermal pools, Iceland's unique charm is really worth every penny. So plan wisely, save diligently, and make your dream Icelandic adventure a reality. If you've been to Iceland or have budgeting tips to share, please do so in the comments below. Happy travels, and may your trip to Iceland be filled with breathtaking landscapes and awesome memories. And if you haven't yet, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.